Good morning. Welcome to the new shop. We just wanted to do a quick update. I've been really excited to show everyone, but at the same time, I'm like, I really don't want to take a video and show it with it incomplete, but it's really coming along. So quick walkthrough today of the new building and kind of a progress update. As you can see in here, we've epoxied the floor. There's a few spots here that we're going to redo the epoxy on. But for the most part, the floor is done in here. The floor is done in the office space and upstairs, and we'll walk you through that in a little bit. We've got a bathroom in the corner, nothing exciting there, but that's all plumbed in. We just finished the plumbing yesterday. All of the airline plumbing is done. The heat plumbing is done. So really all we're waiting on out here in the main shop is to finish the floor, and then we'll be setting the lifts in here. We'll set the air compressor, our tire machines, all that. And hopefully we'll be doing that the week of the 19th this month. So getting close on this main portion of the building. There's our big canvas here. Again, we're still looking for somebody who wants to do a little bit of graffiti art or some cool car culture art, just something cool up here. I've spent basically all of my dollars on this building, so we would love to partner with somebody that wants to get a little bit of press and be a part of this business and a part of our brand, and just build a really cool space for all of our employees and our customers. So if you're interested, hit me up. We'd love to do something cool on this wall. Let's walk this way. I'll show you the rest of the shop. Again, it's a bit of a mess because we are doing construction currently. We're finishing up some lighting and things, but let's check it out. This is the showroom shop. This is where I'll keep my van, my toys, things like that, and then where we'll show off customers' vans when they're done. It's a big mess right now because it's kind of the staging area for all the construction. We've got doors that they're staining in here. We painted door frames yesterday, but you can kind of see in this door here is the main office and the reception. So we'll be able to walk out from there into the showroom area. Staining doors today. Here in this area, we've got 3-phase power for my milling machine. So we'll put that in here. And yeah, let's walk into the office space and check that out. It's coming right along. So we've got track lights going up here, some slot wall for display stuff. Here's an office for Josh, our sales manager, for our shop manager, and our receptionist here. We've got more LEDs coming in here for light, but it's coming right along. Bathroom is just now about finished up. Just got that plumbed in yesterday. And then the main showroom here, that's the main entrance. We have a TV going on this wall, and some display rack here. We've got more track lighting up above going in. And then loving the exposed ductwork, everything's looking really cool. We did our honeycomb LEDs here, and then a couple couches just staged up in here. We're gonna put some art on the walls. We're gonna really make it look awesome. Again, if you wanna contribute, let me know. I've got a whole laundry list of cool stuff I wanna put on the walls. So if you want to contribute, we'd love to have you as a part of it. Here's my office / the podcast studio. We're leaving the ductwork exposed and we're leaving it silver. We've got a couple of registers to add. The paint is mostly done in here. Need to clean the window and window tint, but then after that we're going to do some decor. So I've got a couple photos that I want to get printed on canvas and put those on the wall. Put the TV up, desks and such in here. But this is gonna be a really cool podcast studio / office. I've got track lighting going up so we can have some really cool lighting for the backdrop of the pod. And then check out the view. The wind is of course really dirty, but the view is awesome. And I get to watch all of our customers drive by. It's pretty cool. All right, there's a quick video update for you folks. Not a super polished video today, apologize, but I just wanted to get a little update out there and show you the current progress on the shop. We're maybe 2-3 weeks away from being moved in here, setting equipment out on the main floor and moving production over to this side. So I'm beyond excited, super nervous, all of the feelings, but mostly excited. So thanks for watching, and again, we'll keep the video updates coming. And stoked to show you the finished product in here and have you out for a big shop warming party later this summer. It's gonna be great. See ya.